everybody, so let's see what all experiments can be performed on the second magical board, that is the decimal operator. There are so many things that you can learn on this. First of all, we will learn and understand the concept of measuring any object, alright, measuring the length of any object, and you will get all these tools in your toolkit, so do not worry. Now, we have chosen an object that is the image of an airplane, and you can measure the length of the image of this airplane very easily using the scale that is given below. All right, so you can move the operator here on both the ends to both the sides. All right, and now what you have to do is very simple. You can just move this till the end length of this object. All right, and just measure it. There are two scales given. The top one is in centimeters and the bottom one is in inches. So your students know the measurement in both inches and centimeters, and they can also learn conversion from this. So for example, this airplane is approximately 25.5 centimeters, which is approximately 10 inches, a little more than 10 inches. All right, so they can understand the measurement in both ways. You'll have different kinds of objects in the toolkits, so you can ask your students to measure the length of different type of objects given in the toolkit. Alright, next experiment on this decimal operator will be how to find the extended form of any number. Let's select a simple number first without any decimal places. Let's select 12,345. The first digit of this number is 1 and the position or the place value is 10,000. So we will put one marker at the number 1 at which place value? At the place value of 10,000. Similarly, next marker would be at 2, in which row? In the place values of thousands. Then at 3, place value of 100. Then at 4, which is at the place value of 10. And then finally at 5, which is at the place value of ones. Now simply what they have to do is write each digit on the blank space given here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next step is very simple. They just have to multiply the face value of the number with its place value. So 1 into 10,000 will be 10,000. 2 into 1000 will be 2000. 3 into 100 will be 300. 4 into 10 will be 40. And 5 into 1 will be 5. And then they just have to add them all together. So 10,000 plus 2,000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 5 will become 12,345. The next experiment would be again to write a number in the extended form. But let's this time choose a difficult number. Let's choose a number with some decimal places after the point. Okay. So let's select a number 5,794.23. I will keep my this marker at my first position, that is 5,000. So 5 at the digit 5 in the thousands row. 700. So 7 in the hundreds row. 94, so 9 in the tens row and 4 in the ones row. Now after the decimal place, I am using the number 2, 3. So the first digit after my decimal place is 2 and the second digit after my decimal place is 3. Alright, now again they have to do the same thing. They have to just copy the face values in the blanks given. And after the decimal point, the first number is 2 and the second number is 3. Now you can make them understand the concept of place values after the decimal place, that after the decimal place, we have to divide by the multiples of 10 instead of multiplying. So here, all these are getting multiplied with the multiples of 10. 5 will get multiplied with 1000, 7 with 100, 9 with 10 and 4 with 1. But 2 will get divided by 10 and 3 will get divided by 100, and that is how we get to the number 5,794.23. Along with this magical board decimal operator, you will get all the necessary accessories in this box. You will also get the manual along with it, in which entire experiments will be given, and then you will also get the video of the training module.